Every perfect cut starts with the right tool. Infinity Cutting Tool's solid carbide spiral bits are made from premium C4 micrograin carbide and precision ground on advanced 5-axis CNC machines. That means unmatched sharpness, strength, and tool life, the kind of performance that makes a difference on every project. Unlike traditional straight bits, Infinity Tool's spiral bits feature an advanced spiral cutting geometry. This slicing action reduces resistance, produces a smoother feed, and leaves a cleaner, more refined cut. Upcut bits pull chips up and out of the cut, keeping flutes clear. Perfect for deep grooves, mortises, and faster feed rates. But that lifting action pulls fibers upwards. Not ideal if the top of your workpiece needs to be perfect. Downcut bits push fibers down, leaving a crisp, clean top edge. Ideal for laminates, veneers, and delicate surfaces. By pushing wood fibers down and into the cut, you'll have to slow your feed rate down. In a router table, downcut bits can lift your workpiece, so use featherboards or guides for control. At Infinity Tools, we also offer compression spiral router bits, which combine the best features of both up and down cuts, creating a dual cutting action in the middle of the cut, away from the delicate surfaces. This cutting action effectively eliminates the need for a secondary finishing pass. Whatever your woodworking challenge, Infinity Cutting Tools has the right bit for the job. Premium carbide, precision manufacturing, perfect results.